guys, welcome to our SLGIS Assistant YouTube channel. From here, I hope to add some tutorials related to ArcGIS Pro as most of your request. As a beginning, let's take a look at basics of ArcGIS Pro. With the start of ArcGIS Pro, you are facilitated to create a new folder for storing your project and also the database which created to store data in the project. You can click on Map under New Project, and here you can choose a location for create this project and also a name for this project. This is the ArcGIS Pro interface. In this interface, all the functions and tools are stored according to a ribbon type. You can click on these tools and different types of tools are activated accordingly. The table of content in ArcMap is also you can find in View, then go to Content. This is the content pane of ArcGIS Pro interface. Therefore, all the add-in layers are shown in this content pane. The catalog can be found from click on View and go to Catalog pane. This is the catalog view. In here, the created database is shown in the catalog, and also the created maps using this project file also preview in these maps, and also you can store all the data in this geodatabase. Only the difference is ArcPro is only supported file geodatabase, but ArcMap support both personal and file geodatabases. Before starting a project, you can select the coordinate system and also the units for this project. To do that, click on Project, then go to Options, Dialog box, go to Units, and the distance units should be changed as meters. To change the coordinate system, go to Map and Scene, then go to Spatial Reference. And here, the default is use spatial reference of first operational layer, but you can choose spatial reference and you can select current X, Y and Z coordinates for here. If I want to choose SLD99, you can search by 5335. Then you can add on SLD99, or if you want Kandawala Sri Lanka, you can add 5334. Then you can add Kandawala Sri Lanka for this XY coordinate. And also if you want, you can set the Z coordinate also. In this map and scene option, you can select the base map from this also. You can choose custom base map and you can choose any one of these base maps. Then click on OK. Okay, let's see how to add data to this project. To do that, go to Map, then click on Add Data button. Here you can browse the folder that you are request. And then you can add these shape files. Other than shape files, you can add the data which included in file geodatabase also. Click on Add Data, then you can browse your folder. Then you can add the data that you are request. And also you can use the catalog for adding data to this project. If your data is in another folder, you can create a folder connection from here by right click, then add folder connection. After browsing the folder, the connected folder is shown as this. Then you can add any one of these layers to the map. To add another base map, you can click on Base Map and you can select one of these maps. Then the base map is updating. Here I am select OpenStreetMap. Then here you can see the map is changed from the satellite view. It's remember to connect your PC to internet for loading these different types of base maps. To add raster layers, you can use those two functions for adding data. To add a raster layer, you can click on Add Data, then browse your location. Click on the raster file, then OK. Here you can see the raster image is added for that window. After adding vector layers, when you select a particular feature class, the tool support for the vector format are enabled as different tabs. When I choose this railway line, additional toolbar such as feature layer, labeling and data options are enabled in this tab. As same, after adding raster layers, another supportable tools such as raster layer and another data field is active with respect to the raster. Let's see how to create new feature classes and adding features to the database in my next video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe us.